In the Forex market you will buy or sell. Playing a trade is very easy. The process of playing the trade is simple, and if you have experience trading in the stock market, you will understand it more quickly. Suppose you bought €10,000 at United States dollar at an exchange rate of 1.1600 for $11,600. After 2 weeks the United States dollar exchange rate rose to 1.2500. Then if you sell it for $12,500, your profit will be $600. The exchange rate is the ratio of the price of one currency to another. For example, the exchange rate of United States dollars Swiss franc indicates how many US dollars 1 Swiss franc can be bought, or 1 United States dollar. How many Swiss francs do you need to buy dollars? How to read Forex quotations. In each trade you buy one currency and sell another. Therefore, the price of currency pair in the Forex market is expressed through quotations. The currency before slash is called base currency and the currency after slash is called quote currency. Here EUR is the base currency and United States dollars is the quote currency. When buying, the exchange rate indicates how many units of quote currency you need to pay to buy 1 unit base currency. For example, 1.2460 U for €1 to buy. You have to pay dollars. When selling, the exchange rate indicates how many units of quote currency can be obtained by selling 1 unit of base currency. For example, if you sell 1 British pound, you get 1.2460 US dollars. Get dollars. Base currency is the basis of buy and sell. If you buy United States dollar, you are buying the base currency euros, and at the same time selling the quote currency United States dollars. Simply put, buy euros, sell United States dollars. You will buy currency pairing if you believe that the base currency will be stronger than the quote currency. You will sell it if you think the base currency will be weaker than the quote currency. Long short, first you have to decide whether you will buy or sell. If you want to buy the base currency and sell the quote currency. It means you want the price of the base currency to go up, and you will sell it at a higher price. In the language of traders it is called long, or taking long position. Remember, long equals buy. If you want to sell base currency and two prices are shown in all Forex quotations. Burr and ask. In almost all cases the bid price is lower than the ask price. The bid is a price at which the broker wants to buy the base currency instead of the quote currency. That is, the bid is the best